How to make money with crypto, even as a beginner. Crypto often feels like a wild ride, with price swings, hype, and FOMO dominating headlines. But beyond the chaos, there's a steady side to crypto that most beginners miss: real ways to make money without day trading. This video is your clear and simple guide to earning with crypto, even if you're just starting. Let's be clear from the start. Making money with crypto isn't magic. It takes understanding, a bit of effort, and a focus on managing risk. But what's exciting is that there are multiple ways people are earning income with crypto, some passive, some active, and most don't require a massive upfront investment or advanced technical skills. In this guide, we'll break down the most common and reliable methods. We'll explain how they work, who they're for, and what the pros and cons are. Whether you've already bought your first coin or are still on the sidelines, this video will help you see the bigger picture. Before we dive into strategies, here's a quick disclaimer. Crypto assets are high risk and not regulated in the UK. You could lose all the money you invest. There is no consumer protection. This content is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Let's begin with one of the most popular and accessible strategies: crypto staking. When you stake your crypto, you're helping secure a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards, often in the same coin you've staked. Think of it as earning interest for locking up your coins. Staking is ideal for people who want to support a network like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana, and earn passively in return. You can stake directly as a solo validator, which requires technical setup and a higher investment, or you can use a staking service like Lido, Rocket Pool, or even a centralized exchange like Binance. The main benefit of staking is passive income with relatively low effort. However, it comes with trade-offs. Locking up your tokens might limit access to them during market moves. And if you're staking through a third party, you must trust the platform's security. It's crucial to understand the risks before staking large amounts. Next, let's talk about crypto lending. Lending is where you let others borrow your crypto, and you earn interest in return. This is done either through centralized platforms like Nexo or through DeFi protocols like Aave and Compound. It's like being your own bank. The upside is consistent returns. You can lend stable coins like USDC or volatile assets like Ethereum. Yields vary depending on demand, but the process is often simple. Centralized platforms handle everything for you, while DeFi gives you more control but requires a wallet and some setup. The risk, of course, is that the platform you use might fail or get hacked. That's why many seasoned users prefer DeFi for transparency, while beginners often start with centralized platforms for ease of use. Either way, crypto lending remains a popular strategy for passive earners. Another strategy often overlooked is the use of crypto savings accounts. These are similar to lending, but more structured. Platforms like Binance Earn, Crypto.com, and Coinbase offer savings options with flexible or fixed terms. You deposit your coins, and they earn interest over time. Savings accounts are simple and beginner-friendly. You don't need to do anything technical, just deposit and earn. But again, it's important to assess counterparty risk. If the platform has poor risk management or gets compromised, your funds could be at risk. Always research the platform's reputation and terms. If you're looking for a higher yield but more complex path, liquidity providing might interest you. This involves supplying your crypto to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or Curve so others can trade with it. In return, you earn trading fees and sometimes bonus rewards. Liquidity providing sounds great in theory, but there's a learning curve. You'll deal with concepts like impermanent loss, a temporary drop in value due to price shifts in the token pair you provide. For experienced users, it can be profitable. For beginners, it's essential to study before diving in. One income stream that many love because it's free is airdrops. These are giveaways from crypto projects to early users or wallet holders. All you need to do is meet certain criteria, like holding a token or using a platform, and you might receive a new token as a reward. Airdrops don't require upfront investment, making them ideal for beginners. Popular examples include the Uniswap, Arbitrum, and Optimism airdrops, all of which were worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The downside is that there's no guarantee, and sometimes the effort to qualify can be high. Another angle to earn is through revenue-sharing tokens or dividend tokens. These are crypto assets that reward holders with a share of the platform's income. Examples include GMX, which shares trading fees, or RLB, which offers lottery-based profit sharing. The benefit is regular income without needing to actively trade. But like with any investment, you need to analyze the project's fundamentals. Some platforms are sustainable and transparent, while others may overpromise or rely on hype. It's worth taking the time to learn before investing. Let's also touch on NFT royalties. If you're a creator, NFTs can provide ongoing income through royalties every time your NFT is resold. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible support this. You create the artwork or digital item, set a royalty rate, and earn each time it changes hands. For non-creators, NFT investing can also include flipping rare items or renting game-based NFTs. However, this space is volatile and highly trend-driven. If you're just starting out, focus on projects with strong communities and real use cases. Another consistent income stream is affiliate or referral programs. Many exchanges and wallets offer rewards for bringing in new users. If you run a social media page, YouTube channel, or even just chat with friends about crypto, you can use referral links to earn a percentage of their trading or sign-up bonuses. Affiliate income can become significant over time, especially if you're recommending quality services. Just make sure you disclose referral links honestly and avoid promoting platforms you don't trust. Reputation matters, even in crypto. Forks are another way people unexpectedly earn crypto. A fork happens when a blockchain splits into two, for example, Bitcoin Cash splitting from Bitcoin. If you hold coins during the fork, you usually receive the same number of new tokens on the new chain. While forks aren't as common as they once were, they're still worth understanding. Sometimes they create real value, other times they fade quickly. Either way, it's a passive reward that can show up without you doing anything, if your assets are stored in a self-custody wallet or supported exchange. Let's shift gears to DeFi lending. Unlike centralized lending, DeFi platforms like Aave and Compound operate on smart contracts, removing middlemen. You lend your crypto directly to the protocol and earn interest based on demand. You'll need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask and some basic setup. DeFi lending offers greater transparency, control, and typically better yields. But the responsibility is also yours. You'll need to understand wallet security, gas fees, and how to use platforms safely. For users willing to learn, DeFi can be both empowering and profitable. One trend to watch is real yield farming. This is a newer, more sustainable form of yield generation, where projects distribute income actually earned from platform usage, not just printed token rewards. Projects like Pendle, GMX, and Curve are examples of this evolving approach. Real yield is often more durable than inflationary rewards, making it a better fit for long-term strategies. However, yields can be lower and depend on protocol usage. It's a trade-off between sustainability and headline-grabbing APYs. For serious investors, this approach is gaining popularity. Now let's explore RWA protocols, real-world assets. These platforms tokenize things like real estate, bonds, or commodities and offer yield to token holders. Projects like Ondo, Polymesh, and Realio bring traditional finance into the blockchain, creating new passive income opportunities. RWA protocols are exciting for their real-world backing, but they also carry regulatory and liquidity concerns. They're ideal for investors who want exposure to stable, yield-generating assets, but still want to stay within the crypto ecosystem. Research is key here. Not all RWA tokens are equal. Finally, don't overlook income options on centralized exchanges. Platforms like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase offer staking, savings, and dual investment products, all under one dashboard. For beginners, this is often the easiest way to start earning right away. The trade-off is giving up some control. You trust the platform with your assets and returns. But if you stick to reputable exchanges and start small, it can be a helpful entry point while you build your knowledge. So, how should you decide where to start? It depends on your goals. If you want simplicity, explore staking or savings accounts. If you're ready to dive deeper, look at DeFi lending or liquidity providing. If you're curious and cautious, follow airdrops and affiliate programs. No strategy is perfect. Every method has risk, but the key is to match your approach to your comfort level and stay consistent in learning. Over time, as your confidence grows, you'll start layering strategies and building real crypto income. One final note, always stay alert. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes, overhyped APYs, or platforms that promise guaranteed profits. Earning with crypto is possible, but only if you protect yourself with research and patience. Now that you know the big picture, explore each method in more detail with our full video series. We've got beginner-friendly guides on staking, DeFi, airdrops, and more, all designed to help you take the next step safely. And if this helped you today, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. This is Crypto Pulse, where deep dives meet real insights.